store is like gone. Oh, Lord, look at this.
The lights out there is swinging. That whole lot right there. Full of fucking water from the fucking storm surge. I sent that shit to Rebecca. Travis didn't know what a storm surge was.
There's no roads going down the side. Oh, look at Kelly's. Holy crap.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that is
Look at this
so
car.
crazy. Look at the car.
Very cool, the door shine.
Oh, that's a whole parking lot is the pond now, so I
Yeah.
can't go in the pond.
Yeah. Made up pretty good over there. Holy Christ, this is all a low ass fucking section. These spots aren't normally flooded after a long period of rain, but that fucking storm
They
surge
sure are
fucking sent
now.
that water right up over this fucking beach
was
road
that-
and
that-
over the highway.
Water surge. They were talking about.
Look at the ACE sign. Holy fuck, there's no ACE sign. Jesus Christ, dude. Bet you ACE is flooded like a son of a bitch. Dude, that shit came close. Wings made up pretty good.
Heading to the Harley shop. See if it's still intact or if bail it out.
Look at that shit.
The whole parking lot. Oh,
Damn,
wow.
son. Nobody getting coffee this morning. We'll put some air in this tire when we get here.
Wow.
No power up here. Like what we want.
Look at Beach Road. Look at Beach Road.